Guys, so we are going to continue learning about WordPress, and specifically, we're going to be talking about underscores.me. So, what underscores is a very bare bones theme, and that you can use to customize your WordPress website. So, if let's see, I'm going to open up local and open this up. Maybe jam your work. Bum, 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 bum. Open up something. Okay, why is this not working? Try this again. I don't want to update it because it takes forever right now. Pause this until I figure out why it's not letting me go in. Okay, I figured it out. This where it says stop site, it did say start site. I had to hit start site. Now let me go in. So it's going to open up WordPress in the dashboard eventually. Maybe. There we go. Just need to sign in. Oops. Okay, so remember the dashboard? And the themes, it goes under appearance. And you see all these themes that we have here right now. Looks like I need to do some updates, but I'll do that later. But these are what the themes are, the more popular ones. It's got the 2017, which in the homework is what I wanted you guys to do. And you can actually add more themes, and you can do a search for other default themes that are already out there, like right through here. You can do it by categories and stuff. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways you can add themes. But one, if you really, really want to super customize it, and but you know, none of these themes really kind of meet your needs. So if you want something where you can have a lot more control with the CSS without fighting the stuff that's already, in there. So underscores is a tool that you can use to do that. So it's a starter theme, and sometimes it's referred to as an underscore with an S, hence underscores. So it's a theme meant for hacking, so don't use it as a parent theme. Instead, use it, just make it your own custom theme. It's ultra minimal CSS, and you'll see that here shortly. So it may look very Craigslisty, kind of bare bones, but that's the intent behind it. So let's click on this, and it's going to take us to some more information. Go scroll down here to this last part. Not there. Okay. So the lineage and the continual development process of underscores gives you what you like to call a 1,000-hour head start, because that's the approximate number of design and development hours you get for free every time you use it in a project. So weeks and weeks of refinement by dozens of WordPress theme experts over several years that you don't have to do. And because we want you to be able to take advantage of that 1,000-hour head start, they're making underscores available through GitHub. And we'll be downloading that here shortly. So basically what it does, it has a lot of the basic structure like the HTML and some CSS, but it's not bloated CSS. It's very bare bones CSS. It kind of gives you the structure that you need, and then you can, it's like if you were going to do a coloring, color a page. It gives you the outline of it, but you can to kind of pick and choose what you want to do with it. So it gives you a lot of the syntax as a head start, and you can customize it for what you're looking for. So I'm going to go back here because it opened up in the same tab. So to create a theme, we are going to click right where it says theme name. You'll see advanced options. We're going to click on that. And we are going to click on our theme name, or we're going to decide upon a theme name. I'm going to do Penny Pincher. Our slug is what will appear in the URL. So if I go back to my dashboard, wherever it was, okay. Remember, one of the things that I wanted to do on the homework was to do, was it settings? Yeah, under permalinks. Is I wanted you to select this one as your permalink. And what that is, it's going to be descriptive, and that's similar to what a slug is. It gives it some sort of descriptor of what your web page is, as opposed to something generic like that. So I'm going to name this Penny Pincher again. Author is going to be me. Just put something in there if you don't have one. And a Penny Pincher practice purpose. I'm a little tired, so I think I'm getting a little bit silly, but that's okay. So you do all of that. Then you hit generate. Okay. And it's going to download in a zip drive. So you're going to extract it. Actually, you don't need to extract it. Don't worry about extracting it. The thing I want to show you is, like, if you open up underscores in GitHub, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. If you go to functions, PHP, you'll see this is the default code with underscores, which we've downloaded. But whenever we download it, after we do the tailoring that we did in those 5 lines, it's going to be custom for us. So for example, right here, it's got underscores. Ours is going to say, like mine's going to say Penny Pincher. So it customizes it and updates the PHP file for what our particular theme in the title is. So underscore S is kind of hard to search for because you get a lot of stuff that's not necessarily what you're looking for, like this right here. But you'll see that there's going to be some instances where on the default it says underscore S. Yours is going to say whatever it is that you named it. Like mine's going to say Penny Pincher, and we'll see that here shortly. Okay, so I'm going to go back into here, and so we downloaded that zip drive from from underscores. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So now we're going to go back to appearance and themes, and we're going to click add new. And we're going to click upload theme, and we're going to choose file, and we're going to go to the file that was downloaded. There's a zip drive. Again, you did not need to extract it. If you did extract it, use the one that's a zip drive still. Click install now. And give it a few. Okay. So you can see it says here it's unpacking the theme, installing the theme, and it's been installed successfully. So now we're going to click activate. And then you see that my active theme is now Penny Pincher. So I can click on theme details. It gives me the name of it. It gives me the version, and we'll open that here shortly so you can see the author is me, and whatever other details I have. So let's go ahead and click customize. Oh, that's not what I want. But if you've worked with WordPress.com, this is fairly similar That's not really what I was wanting to go to, so my bad. Let's go back. Oh, shoot. Did I get rid of it? Looks like I did. Let's see if I can find it. Or refresh my page. There it is. Okay. So if we click on it, where is it? Hide that. It's not what I want to do. Oh, up here. Sorry. So go up in a practice demo and visit site. That's what I'm trying to get to. So this is what the site looks like. So you can see it's kind of got a Craigslisty weird feel, very simplistic on the CSS, and just basically has HTML content with some headings and links and stuff, but no actual styling. Not a page you would like to see. So this is how you get started setting up underscores. So now let's dive into how to access the files. So that is going to be, actually that's going to be a separate video. Just wanted to focus on this right now, and I'll make a separate video talking how to access the files and make updates. Okay, so to be continued.